Are you feeling overly stressed out about potty training your toddler? Then this video is for you. This is my first video in the potty training series. I will be sharing the ins and outs of potty training, when you can potty train, what are the signs that you have to look for in your toddler when they are ready to be potty trained, and things like that. So let's go and jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malvika and I have a 19-month-old son. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I am here weekly sharing my experiences, tips, parenting hacks, and so many other things that you might need at some point if you are a parent. In this particular video, I will be sharing when exactly you can potty train your toddler and what are the signs that you have to look for. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. As I mentioned earlier, I have a 19-month-old son and I haven't started potty training him yet, but I have started to research and read about potty training and I have come up with a schedule which will help my son. So let's begin with when exactly you can start potty training your toddler. A very common mistake that the parents make is by starting the process too early, that is even before your child is ready to be potty trained. Apart from potty training, there is also another concept called elimination communication. Elimination communication is the practice in which the caregiver uses timings, schedules, cues, and things like that to find out if the infant is ready to eliminate waste. If you are one such parent who believes in elimination communication, then that's cool too. But this particular video is for those of you who want to potty train your toddler. Children between the ages of 2 and 4 will greatly benefit from this video. Do not rush this process by starting this too early. It is said that children who begin potty training at the age of 18 months are not fully trained till they reach the age of 4. On the other hand, children who have started potty training around 2 to 3 years of age, they get the hang of it in just 1 year. So there you can see the difference. So please make sure your child is ready and not too young for potty training. Another important question is, how will I know if my baby is ready to be potty trained? Your child is definitely going to show you signs that he or she is ready to be potty trained. Let's discuss the signs one by one. I'm going to share 7 sure shot signs that will prove your child is ready to be potty trained. Number 1, your child might start to point at his diaper when it's dirty. Number 2, your child might begin to communicate with you like they want to go or they are already going. Number 3, when your child starts to make a face when they do a pee or a poo. Number 4, your child might start removing his diapers when he feels it's full or dirty. He can do it on his own, so you can look out for that. Number 5, your child will stay dry throughout the night and the minute you take off his diaper in the morning, he will start to pee. Number 6, your child will start showing interest in toilets when you go to the toilet or when their siblings go to the toilet. They will come with them, they will inspect the toilet and will start showing interest. The 7th and final sign is your child might start pooping at the exact same time every single day. So these are the 7 signs that you should look for. If you feel that your child is starting to show these signs, you can definitely begin with potty training. So that's it guys. I hope this video was informative and useful. If yes, please do subscribe to my channel and smash the like button too. I will be back with video number 2 in potty training soon. Till then, bye bye.